Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Check the audio. Check. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, that works. This is EU. November 14th. We're gonna start 2023 backtest. Let's get it. Let's back in expeditiously. Just get quite dirty. Just need my eyes to get used to it, pretty much. All right, bet. Starting off right here. Damn, that's a lot of data. Is that really where I left off? This is 2026. Exit the replay. All right, then we're right here. November 14th, 2023. Okay, there we go. So we left off the previous. Yeah, I had to delete some because it's kind of crazy. Can't really go all the way back there, but yeah, that's insane. Man. June to November. That's 5 months of data right there. Maybe backtested over multiple days. So far. Let's just continue. This bullish move, we got smoked. I reset everything. We had these two passed before, and I made like $5,000 off the backtest. So just continue. What is this? New York session. Let's just clean this up. No. Immediate canvas. Sweet images from here. Just bullish. Fires to control off here. Continued bullish. Came back down. Here. Following a bullish structure the next day. this would have been concerning, except for the fact that it's happened at 7:45, so this medium inducement is most likely not going to be sustained. This changed character here. Didn't really get a break of structure, so I was bearish. That's why I took the loss right here at the beginning before I deleted everything. I can't really bring it back now. It took too long. But anyway, let's continue. Fresh start. 1 FA. Funded account. Funded evaluation. Just 156. So we're operating based off a 25K account, 25K eval, which is about $156 on funded pips. And yeah, as we fail them, I'll increase this balance, multiply it. Yeah, so on this one. Medium inducement, okay. Give it put us in this bullish price action. Let's continue. Could we catch buys based off this inducement? This could potentially dump, so let's just keep playing it. Get more context the next day. So New York was just bullish off of London, just continuation. Okay. Just keep following price and inducements. See what price is telling us in London. So Asia just printed. There goes London coming into New York session. You see this inducement here happened at 2:30 p.m. So it's not really relevant. Break of structure until we're done here. This could be just a potential pullback. Got this inducement at 3:45. Just these lows. I would argue just this. Let's classify that. Not yet. Let's just do this change of character. Once we confirm that, then we can like our medium inducement. Okay, we didn't change character. We swept liquid at 7:30. We want to give this a change of character. Yeah, we need more confirmation than that. Okay. And it's happening at 7:30. Okay, 8:15. 8:45. When this happens, 7:30, change of character. It's just still a tracement day, to be honest. Go on to the next. Data. So we do nothing. If only this happened at a specific time, I would have been able to get in on ourselves. This happened at 8:45. Asia took that out before you could do anything. 8:30 p.m. So we're getting this at 3:15. That's valid. There, we can change character here. What else? Got this sweep, change character. This is our bullish break of structure. This inducement here. Oh no. This inducement here. Yeah. Wait for that to confirm, and we'll wait for this to confirm as well. So maybe get a break of structure. So we'll confirm our bullish bias and change the character to confirm our bearish bias. Okay. We have this right here. Break of structure. Let's go back down here. Looking to buy. Well, we could get this inducement here at 7:45. Is not really as it's essential. Yeah, This isn't my valid. My setup here. Just continue, tap in at 10:30. We induce this at 9:30. Don't like these buys no more. Okay. Inducement there. Character here. Okay. When's this happening at 10:30? Get that here. At 15. Yeah. No. The Bears will take control here. Fill the balance. Just continued. Okay. This holds control now. Brook structure here. Let's medium induce this here at exactly 2 a.m. Just our London kill zone. Don't really trade London, but it is a London kill zone. Inducement, character. Okay, let's see what we get in New York. If there was the entry here, this couldn't really get an entry. Oh, this happened at 6:15 outside the time window. So the valid entry here. Okay. Let's just see what we get. So we got this here, New York. Change character here. Okay. Already operating up something here. We'll continue these to the upside, hopefully. We'll get bloody smoked. This is 2R. Uh, 2.5. It's about 5R. Do we take 2.5 or 2.25? Or we just take our 2R, that's 4R. We're risking 2% in each position, by the way. Okay. 4R, happy with 4R. It's already delivered above this New York high, I believe. So it could be a sweep of liquidity to bring us even to break even. Our price just continues. 1 to 3. No. 1 to 2 is what we close that. Okay. Induce this at, well, induce this in New York, induce this in induce anything. Okay. This happened at 3:30. If we can get this change of character. Be smooth. Okay. At the sweep here instead. At the New York open. First broke structure here. Okay. Now we are at 8:45. See where the hourly candle lies. Lies within here. This could potentially just sweep this and absolutely obliterate whatever. You know what I mean? So we'll wait. Okay, this is the mitigation at 9 o'clock. This is sweeping here. If we get this change of character here, I'm out a bit. 1 and 2. Risk 2R. Another 4. See what we get. Okay. Manage decision 11 a.m. No change of character. I would have been out if we change character here. 2R, that'll pass us our phase 1. Phase, you can just rip through it, or London, preferably. Okay. Again, decent inducements. They're not leading to anything significant yet, so you can just hold this. That happened there. It's cool. Okay, this happened at 545. This is just another reason for price to be bullish. Okay, mitigating, could continue higher here or break down based off what inducement. Something at 730 is not really valid. It's happening at 945 though. It's just another reason to be bullish, so I'll hold this position. Okay. So what we did is this. We change character. Put the structure here. Yeah. Now we are there's trend -2. The idea was there, execution was not. Price skill fatigue there. Okay. What do we see? No kind of pairs and control. Bullish sweeps. Where did this happen? 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's a lot. It's an intentional movement. Okay. No inducement there. So I'm still bearish on this session, so let's get to. Okay. New York. Get this change of character. Nope. Let's see. That's bullish. Okay. This is really the most optimal entry. Optimal entry would have been here. But no, we are not even in our kill zone yet. So let's see what we do. Okay. Completely destroy this. Stop this inducement here. So field this. Structure. Okay. Payment to New York. Still dumping. Okay. It's not really any valid entries. Impulse. At least we don't need to do is come into here. Could have been an entry as well. To do. Okay, page 15. What do we see? Price is sweeping this low here. Okay, out of time zone. Key time window. I mean, let's continue. Okay, New York. All right, this inducement. Okay, significant reaction. Okay, that box is annoying. Okay, let's create a new one. Okay, medium inducements. Change of character here. This is our breaker structure. Okay, this was equal lows, equal highs as well. Could be sweeping this to get this change of character. Price breaks below here. I'm no longer bullish, but I will continue this here. Okay. Wait. Yeah, this is not a. I don't know why. Keep forgetting. Our kill zone is right here. I'll still deduct a point from that for not realizing. This was London. This was the inducement that we had to anticipate. It's hard to anticipate. This is okay. London session. 0. Okay. What we see? Yeah, we can get rid of this. Get rid of this as well. It's bullish. This is a change of character. Okay, this is the medium inducement now. Okay. Alright, now we're in our London kill zone. Impulse. Candle prior. Just gets on a short from. Get a short from here. Cover this right here. It's good armor. Target the long. 2.5. This is happening at 9:45. 8 o'clock. Change of character. Switch my bias to bullish here. So as if this loses, this is minus 2R. It would be on the record. The buys were in where? Right there. Okay, minus 2R. This happened at 8:15. Okay. This is coming in at. It's not really significant though. It's a very small signal. Okay, no, it is significant. 4:15. Okay. Where is New York? 1 more hour. Okay, New York came in. What are we here? 4 o'clock. Reduce this. Broke here, tapped in. We should continue from here. Break, impulse. I'll try to get a re-entry here. Go break even on this position. TP there. If we can get a re-entry, I'll place my order here. This. If we can get a re-entry before 11 a.m. on the dot. Okay, we're entered into these shorts. Where is our point of being wrong? Yeah, okay. Cut this trade here, or anything internal that we break. If we don't continue. Okay. When did this happen? 12:30. No reason to get out at all. 11 a.m. Asia. Continue. Break even on this position. Risk on still on this position. 11:15. See what London gives us. This inducement at 1 o'clock. Still not significant enough. Swap this in Asia. Change character. Did not deliver. Sweeping trend line. And 6:30, 1:30, 2:45. Okay. New York. 8:30. Be sweeping. London. Just another reason to be bullish. 10:45. Out of our kill zone. No more positions. Let's just see what this thing does. How many days? entered on Thursday. Still going on to Monday the next week. Fees. Okay, it's happening in London, or sorry, Asia. Change of character, if you break here. Out of this position. Second is the hold. Boom. That hit 2R. We should have hit 2R down here. We hit 2R here. That's -2. So 4 plus 4 is 8. -2, that's 6. Okay. All right. Oh, this is a long ass trade. Holy. Thursday to Tuesday. Madness. Weekend. Okay. We're entering at 8 o'clock. Sweep of this high. Change character here. Confirm our medium inducement. Okay, we do not. It's happening 9 o'clock. Still wary. Starting a change of character. I never got this break of structure here. Okay, just get to Asia. New York, or sorry, London. Just tap this here. Change of characters here. We are not. Another to be bullish here based off the previous control. On here. It's insane though. Okay. Just an inducement to pull us higher, maybe. Okay. 430. We're gonna change the character here. Give it bullish. Breakdown here would be bearish. Okay, swap that. Let's just go with whoever's in control, I suppose. 2 o'clock. Let's just wait till 9. Okay, 9 o'clock. See what we get here. Inducements. Enter here. Over here. Let's go. See what we get. We just need 1R. That's 2. We passed. So that's 8. See if it gets back to our 2R. If it does, we will just take profit there again. Did hit in reverse immediately, so I don't know. I didn't mention setting my stop or. Okay. That lost. It's very technical, but we shall deduct ourselves. Instead of 2, lose 4. Over just 2. Did not break structure quite yet, so we might just be getting a discount to be bullish against more. Okay, now we have breaking structure. And crown you the king. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Media sell point would be right here. Price over taps it. It just loves hitting this imbalance here. It's ridiculous. Where's the lower though? not bad. But let's just continue with the price. Inducing at 4 o'clock. This New York low. Just continue bearish, okay? 515. Character. You can break above here based off that inducement. Can give that price settings, but so far we are bearish. See if we can get to New York. Okay, just mitigating there. Swept this high, tapped into zone here. Go from there. Okay, coming into New York. 8:30. We're taking out these New York lows. Okay. Test this here. This is very risky. Let's continue. This could be the inducement that flushes us higher, but let's keep going. If you tap back in, I'm in. Okay. We need 2R to pass. Boom. Set TP. Time is this 2:15. Significant. Might push lower. Chain character here. Breaker structure. Full confirmations there. So either we lose or we in this trade. This is happening at okay. I changed. Bullish bias has switched from there to there. So just say 1R on here if we go above that. Nice. 2R. Perfect. 8. All right. Pass this that. Let's continue. That's gonna be insane. All right. New York might recover these. This magnificent sell-off. Okay, 10 o'clock. Don't know what to expect. Change the character would have to be the break of this right here. At least. Current. 10:45. Pulse. If you can tap in here before 11. We are Gucci. And we pass phase 2. Went to 2.5. Right there. Okay. 12 o'clock. Gone. Can crown you. Precedence. Yeah. Oh, on to the next. That was New York. Buyers stepping in. This is the inducement, change character, break structure. Okay. See, we are sweeping the lows once more. Trading character here. Entries most likely here. Not trying this, but yeah. Stops at the lowest for show. But you also got this here, 345. It's going to be bullish here, most likely. Let's see, New York. 7:30. It's at 45, 8 o'clock. Okay, that's why we do not predict. Okay, I'll change character. Set this here. Just inducement that. Target it. Change character, break a structure. You can break here with bearish. You can stop this as well. Stacked. Okay. Continue bearish. Impulse candle. Halfway. 2.5. Let's go. Okay, when we're inducing this 9:30, we'll set our stops just above here, where it'll just be about 1 hour instead of 2. We'll see where we go, mitigating risk. Okay, minus 1 hour. Suppose you get out right there. It's not even 1 hour. 1 hour would have to be like up here. So, change character here. Just it's a reversal. Scissor. Hopefully, this is a potential reversal. You catch buys. Next session, New York. Okay, minus 1 R on the board. This New York. Then that's insane. Let's make it to new bullish. And it just opened 3 a.m. Instant recovery of the same V shape. Oh, that's ridiculous. Okay, equal lows. 5 a.m. Let's see what New York did. Okay, change of character. Classify this as a break of structure just based off how strong this candle is. This is like directional, right? Okay. Let's get a potential meeting inducement. See if you can break here. This is a good target too. Sells in New York. So here, okay. Okay, let's see. $2.06, 2.5, 10.45, 12.30. I mean, if we hit a 3R, we will get 6 minus 1 will be 5. We'll pass phase 1. So let's just break even, see what we hit. Okay, 12:30, change of character. Our cutoff zone will be here. Still manage this. Break a structure. Instead of breaking even, I'll put the stop just above here. So it'll be about 1 hour, or less than whatever this is. Instead of 2, so it'll be like 1.2 hour. So let's see. our stuff above this buy break of structure. See what Asia delivers. Okay, see what London delivers. More equal lows to target. This could be the spring that takes us up. Okay, character here. Forget that in New York. I'll just take my profits. Okay, what do we at right now? The 3, 6. At least 1 to 2. No, 3. We hold this. Set break even. If it goes, it goes. If we get breaking even, we get breaking even. But we will manage this as well. So this is our shaded character. Have to let this play out anyway. Got it. Let's see what we get in New York. This happened at 6:15. Character, break of structure. Come on. Okay. Okay. Sweeping the highs. This could be the trigger to push us lower. Okay. Nice low in New York, continue reversal. 3R. We see 915, 230s, the POS up here. New York to just flush. Okay. London sweep. To break a structure. Okay. Okay. Say TP, please. I beg. Did we sweep here? 7 a.m. Sweep the highs. Here we sweep the lows. Still break of structures up here. Okay. Look for bullish setups. Break even on that as well. Just to see if it just happens to reverse from there. Good. Structure. Asia. Let's see what we get in London. Character would be here, break structure would be here. No longer bullish. 3, break this low. Okay. New York. This happened at 3:30. Break structure there. Beautiful. Took a fat minute though. We have passed phase 2. Tapped in Tuesday. Got out Friday. So we basically guessed the direction of the week. Just ridiculous. Absolutely insanity. Okay. So we were bullish up at this point. We would have took the buys here, but it was outside of our key time window. But now this happened at midnight or afternoon, noon rather. We did inducements. and control. Okay. This passes our phase 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. And that is 5% on the account. We are funded in about. This is the quickest I've done it. Thursday. Did we fail? No, we didn't. We're still on the first email. This is from previous sessions. Okay. Thursday, 16th to 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. Give or take. Anyway. All right, let's see if we can get this payout. What is this? New York just opened. This could be the sweep confirmation here. Okay. Still haven't confirmed our bullish buys, so we're still gonna operate off the medium inducement. Bearish. Okay, this could be a potential. It's a little experimental, a little bit more riskier than my typical setups, but okay. This could be indicating an earlier change of character. So I'm gonna be bullish on London. Oh, sorry, New York. See if we can get breaks. If we can get the sweep of this. Enter. What do we do here? 430. Okay, this could also aid in our. Yeah. Could also be a change of character to go for pro trend. Okay, yeah, it is. I'm not gonna enter these buys. Dies came into here. High, low, high, low, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, low. Continue this bearish trend, or are we switching? The medium inducement has been confirmed. We have this internal confirmation, but did we break above here? No, we did not. This is not our inducement. This is our change of character. We're going to continue bearish here. Okay. So we can get this happened at 10:30. Get this change of character here amount. -2. Let's see if you're just trying to. We should have covered that high. Too much. At what time? 1 o'clock. No. Yeah. This was confirmed here. Change of character. Like the bulls. Okay. Medium inducement here. Boom, boom, boom. Change of character. Get on to the next session. We're down to the eval stage. Not the eval. Funded stage. Okay. Buys in control. London continuation. That's almost on the dot. 7:45. could potentially just be over and higher. Hell yeah. To buy, okay. Change character. So we have this low, high, low, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. I can't really tell. If you take 2R here, 2R here, 2 for the day. Hedged position, Y. This could be the inducement, change of character. This could be a potential break of structure of the 15-minute because this is low, high, low, high. This could be okay. But we already made a reduced here, change character here. No break of structure. This is experimental. So let's just, this is experimental, this is internal structure. At what time though? 10:30 a.m. Yeah, no, this is really an inducement. Buyers in control. 7:30. Sellers are potentially in control here, so we get rid of my buy position, just take one loss. Potentially you could take two, so it's kind of risky. Okay, let's see if we continue here. Respecting the, so we'll call it New York high. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, what we're doing here. 55, nothing significant. This happened at, yeah, it's either a stop loss or just displaced to the bottom. Okay, that's 4. This is New York. Damn. Character. It's happened at 11 o'clock. This happened at 4:45. What time is this? 11 o'clock. Try these longs. Let's go. Madness. Whatever price that right now is, I'm taking that profit. Let's just do 4.5, whatever that is. It must have been news for sure. But yeah, the switch from bearish to bullish happened after we have broke up here. Happened at 8:30 a.m. Get the junior character here. 4:30 as well. Double. Okay. Yeah, it's very well aligned. 4.51. It's a decent payout now. Minus 4R, so 250 times 4. It's 1,500 times 4.5 is equal to 2.250 minus 1,000 is equal to 1.250, which is about 5R. Minus 156. Evaluation 1094. Which brings us to profit. 156 risk. 156 made 1094. It's insane. Okay. Yeah, we can continue this. That's 701.28% gain. Cool. All right. Yeah. Continue this. Check. All right, let's continue. See if we can increase the eval. Oh shit! Such terrible timing. Okay. All right, we're back. Let's see. Where did we leave off? Right here. Let's see how far this trade runs. It doesn't just immediately reverse because this is at 145. Still has some way to go. Maybe the next session is going to be bullish entirely. But let's see what we get. We're operating based off of this series of medium inducements. But yeah, this one here. This is also bullish. Just use the most recent one. Just this one here. Okay. This happened 1 o'clock. Probably not gonna be sustained. Yep. Okay. Whoa. And do say 50% of Asia is where we reversed from. Unless we can get this change of character here. Gonna be bullish. Almost kind of ridiculous. Yeah. See if we can get this here. It's kind of crazy the RR, but oh well. Pulse. Alright, let's see. We're gonna trace into it. Okay. Pulse candle, candle prior. What time? 11:15. Yeah. Scrap that. Continue on to the next day. Just bullish continuation, like I said. This is at 1 to 10. Holy, that would have been a ridiculous payout right there. 4.5. I copy this. So. Okay. Next session, Asia happened here. 11:45. Change of character. Breakup structure confirmations here. Okay. Okay, just dumping in New York, London. Yeah, it's likely to continue this in New York. Okay. And then get the breakup structure. We got this inducement here at 7:30. Breakup structure would be here to be bullish from that point. So we do. Okay. Break could come up into this zone here. Didn't really break anything, so could buy up off this inducement. It's happening. 9:30. Indecision. Yeah, price is just getting fatigued here. 10:45. Bullish change of character. PM. Okay, Asia. Change of character. Breakup structure here is our real confirmation for this inducement here. 12:45. London. Sustain. I'm probably going to continue bearish after the sweep of New York to fill the previous imbalance. Okay, 7:45. You came in. It's happened at 5 o'clock on the dot. Change of character here. Could be bullish. Can't seem to get to close. No close. Change of character. 1030, massive range. And we can just do our own thing. The range is ridiculous. What? This is a straight barcode right here. Straight barcode. How many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And mirroring the whole day. Okay. This happened at 1:15. Continuing. 3:15. Continuing. 7:45. 7 o'clock on the dot is the inducement. This could be a potential trap. Like this zone here. See if you can continue these buys. 1 to 2. We get tapped in. It's kind of risky. Use the inducement. No, that's going to be a character. I like this short here. It's opening exactly on our window. Okay. It's happened 10 a.m. Character. Okay. Not closing above it. This is happening at 1 a.m. Not really sustainable. -2 hours. Should we affirm it? Yes, we shall. -2. And that wasn't really gonna hold. However, price was adamant. I was adamant. Okay, change your character. This right here is confirmed to be. Can barely see that red. Okay, bearish on this session in New York. Unless we're told otherwise. Okay, time is at 6:45. Break of structure. I'll use this inducement as my fuel. If we're wrong here, we're bullish. Let's just see what price does. Okay, 2.6, 2.5, 5.3. We aim for 3, that's 6, -2, that's 4, that's another 1,000. It's 1,000 or 750. Let's go for the band unless we are told otherwise 3 p.m. Okay. Go risk off here. Break the structure. Okay. Yeah. That's a bullish one. Just move low. Character. Yeah. Knew it. But is that break even? Let's just accept it because it was happening way too fast. I did not mean to play it that quickly. Because what I was gonna do is do this right here. Break even here. However, we'll accept the 2R. This price just make it harder for us. For myself. Okay, structure. Okay, cool. This here. This here. Boom. Medium inducement. Sweep. Structure. Impulse. Reverse from here. So it's New York the next day. Okay. 7:45. We can use this break. Okay. It's not bad whatsoever. It's a nice pulse candle. Candle prior. See what we get. 12:15. Straight range. Can we break out? Yes, we can. 4R, 2.5. Let's just get 3. Get $500 payout. Okay, this happened at 3:45. Not significant enough. Okay, this happened at 1 a.m. This happened at 6:15. Just tickling the TV. Like, what is this? Why are we? Okay. The clock. Right there. Be out at the close here. Just give me my money. Just give me my bread. 6:30. Something at 11 o'clock. Just a bullish sign. Okay. Nice. 6R. Took about Thursday to Tuesday in the following week. 6% minus floor $2, 500, 250 plus 500. $94. Awesome. See if we can hit one more solid. TP. Okay, buyers are in control. Sellers have not stepped in control quite at 2 p.m. Clock. Okay, could be the inducement to bring this lower. Nope. New York. Could be the one that's absolutely plummeting or steamrolling into such a zone like this. It's hard to tell where this will go. It's a good zone. Let's just investigate it. Okay. Nope. Okay, what we're seeing, this one here, big structure here. Let's see what we get. Could take the buys against that. Okay, lovely. Sellers in control. 30-30. Medium inducement. Character. Can step into here, but price loves to hit the midline, so I'm gonna just count that right there. Wherever the imbalance is, see here we filled that. Yeah. 10:45 minus 2. Is this happening at 8 a.m.? Character be here. Let's see. So the one time I take my inbound, look right, look at this. Look at this madness. 2.5. But anyway, took this loss here. Took this loss here. Put this shit right here. This madness. 10:15. Just gonna barrel down, isn't it? Could have been 6R right there. Decent payout if we just stuck to the plan. Unfortunate, but we will affirm our loss. Continue to the next day. But our sellers have stepped in control. We're letting it hang, as they say. Okay. London, this came in nowhere. 12:30. Infrastructure. 2:45. Reduce this at 1 a.m. 2 a.m. Seller is more in control, so just continue their bias. But it validates my zone. Happen here, 3:45. End of character. So what invalidate my zone here. So what am I seeing? This tiny inducement. I'm loving it. Breaking through. 6:30. 7:40, 30, 45, 8 o'clock. Okay. So definitely did change character here. We swapped this at 6:45. Change of character, break structure would be here. That's my validation zone. 2.5, 3R. Let's go. Did this happen? Cells. Why is that? Okay, this is induced here, change character here, break structure. Save before we commit. Yeah, fully committed. But I knew the sellers were in control. Why would I do that? Why did I do that? Based off of this buy right here, 3:45. Okay. 3:45. This happened. Change character attempted to here. We took our validation based off this inducement here. Just change character. Okay. -4. So we can get another payout. We'll call it a session here. Okay. So as in control from right here. See if the buyer step in anywhere. Okay, damn. Lovely 7. Okay. Okay. If you tap it before 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock, you're in, and our disrespected zone is right here with this changeable character. Bingo, bingo. Just put the stop it there. 3. Are not getting that. This happened 3 o'clock. Did this happen 2 o'clock? Okay. It's just gonna be another $500 payout. Get us to 2,000. Okay, what's up at 7? It's happening at 9:30. Good sign. It's happening at 9:45. It's not really much. Okay, but this is 1 o'clock now. All right, this inducement at 1 a.m. Character, break of structure here. Take that short there. See if price delivers here. Okay. Break of structure, 3:30 a.m. This could be the sweep that potentially saves us or ruins us. Why? No. This looks like it's gonna come in and close and confirm my location here to be bullish for New York session. Yes. Let's continue. This is our last saving grace because it's just gonna be this liquidity sweep to go down. But we can break even here. However, New York is coming in at 7 a.m. Okay. Did this close above? Yes, it did. Character, structure. Also broke this right here too. Yeah, no. Yeah, confirm here for buys. Inducement. We have our yes. No. What am I doing? Break a structure. Bullish. And we have this inducement here. This happened down with 15. Which is our medium inducement. Boom. Okay. High. It's happened at 4 a.m. change character here. Amount. However, multiply from here as well. See what price does. Comes into first. 45, 415. Still counting. The buys are off though. Okay. Still survive that. This is 4 a.m. London. What are we seeing? Seeing a sweep of this. No significant reactions. Bingo. 6R moves 4. That's 2. 500. Just can't get the 5-digit, 4-digit, sorry. Payouts, okay. 500 plus 1594. 2094. From November to January. Just about 2 months. Extra 2K. That would help a lot, right? But yeah, that's about it. Going through another TP trade is or another whatever. It's a little much. I think that'll be it.